Hey, so my name is Alex, and this is my 1995 E36 M3. I purchased this car about maybe a week or two ago, and my intentions with it are to restore it to complete stock. It's a piece of junk right now, to be honest. The suspension is all wobbly and all the bushings are dead, and the interior isn't in that good of a condition either. Like, all the door panels are falling apart. The headliner is saggy, and just a whole bunch of basic E36 stuff. This car was up in Virginia, so it does have a little bit of rust, but it's not a problem because it's very minor and very fixable. The main issue with this car is purely the paint. The clear coat is bad and it makes the whole car look really bad. The hood is bad, the quarter panel on the left side is bad, the roof is bad. Everything's basically gone, like clear coat wise. So that's probably gonna have to be redone. I'm looking to paint it, probably the whole car, or I don't know, we'll see. So I got this car in Virginia. I picked it up for about $1,000. That's insanely low for a 1995 E36 M3 in the Avis blue color combination with a black interior with manual Vader seats. Those of you who know what E36 M3s are, and those of you who aren't new to this platform, know basically everything that there is to know about these cars. But mainly for this car, I'm going to be trying to redo the interior, the exterior of the car, suspension, and on the engine I don't see anything too bad except for the van oil starting to tick, so I'm going to have to redo that as well. Overall, the car is in very good condition. The engine runs very strong. That's why I say that, because the engine, I'm pretty sure, was tracked before, and they have a chip on it, and there's a tune in it as well. The reason why I think this engine is in such good condition is because the person that owned it before didn't really care for it aesthetically wise as much as they did more mechanically, and the engine was really taken care of, but the rest of the car wasn't. Car runs strong, it pulls very nicely. Not too much to say there, pretty happy with that. The first gear in this car is really bad. For some reason it starts grinding when you try to put it into first, but after going through second then first, it just goes in without any problems. So I'm thinking that the synchros might be messed up in the transmission, so might need to redo the transmission, or maybe just get a